Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device is unlocked and online because changes sync to your account. Open Settings and go straight to Accounts or the specific Google/Microsoft account section. Once there, choose the Device Management or Security entry. This is where Find My Device lives. You need your passcode or biometric to make changes, so have it ready. This prevents accidental lockouts and ensures the notification change will propagate to other signed-in devices. Now you locate the Find My Device or Find My Phone settings under Security, Location, or Device Management. Once visible, tap into the Notification or Visibility options. You may see separate toggles for allowing location access, showing notifications, and enabling remote actions. Adjust the notification toggle to off. Make sure you understand that turning off the notification stops alerts, but may not disable tracking unless you revoke location permission. So change both if your intent is to stop tracking completely. Finish by saving changes and restarting the device to ensure settings apply. Once done, check the notification center to confirm the alert is gone. If notifications persist, revoke the app's notification and location permissions, or sign out of the account on that device. This forces a clearer state. As a last resort, remove the device from your account via the web portal. That severs the link and stops Find My Device notifications entirely. Use this only if you understand the.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.